Here we are in the backyard. I started the tree trimming there last night, or night before, I guess. Anyway, regardless, quite a hedge here. It goes down there about another 100 feet, I guess, 75 maybe, past the tarp. It's the far side of the property, but got the combination pine cedar hedge here. It's about 4 feet here. I want to make that, and it's going to rise to 6 feet. Go down the rest of the way here. Nice little pine patch there. An apple tree is growing up around. I've got a secondary hedge in back. Another cedar pine combination. A few little Christmas trees I've got started here. Spruce trees, or no, they're fir, I guess. Pine trees, they're all going to be Christmas trees in 2 or 3 more years. So, I got a little bit left here. See if I can get you to